We're out here playing Steampunk Rally, going pretty good. You can see that I am way ahead of the lead, but I am very overloaded. J-Buck is about to roll. Right, here we go, see what he can do here. Alright, we got some 4s, we got some 5s, not bad.
Primarily teal cards to win points. How do we win points? Are you familiar with games like spades or any other trick-taking games? High numbers beat low numbers. We don't
give you ancient wisdom for your happiness. Pay attention now. Men of genius are admired. Men of wealth are envied. Men of power are feared. But only men of character are trusted. And you know, it never hurts to bribe your friends on sometimes. For example, give me a bit more cash, and I will give you your fortune.
You and your beloved will never part. You're a strong believer in fate. You have control over your destiny. But yeah, I've been rolling dice all day. Right? Yo, so we just ate at Renington Market. I'm gonna go pick up a notebook before this little tournament gets going, and I'm pretty hyped. How you feeling, Buck? You feeling better?
I'm ready.
Ready. If you had one shot, one opportunity, this is it. Chase the planes, PAX Unplugged, let's go. Alright, so if you're wondering how the rest of my day went after I checked out the expo hall, me and my buddy competed in a Chase the Planes sealed Magic tournament. Now what this meant is that each of the 3 Swiss rounds, you were on a different plane with variant rules. First round, you get to play 2 lands and a free mulligan. Second round, draw 2 cards. Third round, 4 starting cards in your hand, but the top deck is always revealed and playable. Absolutely wild. I went Izzet. My boy went Selesnya. I went 2-0-1, and he went 1-1-1. This right here is my takeaway. I got the Ravnica booster box, I got some Ixalan boosters, and I got 2 Masters 25 boosters, baby. So like $30 entrance fee, I think I've made back like easily like $45 in value alone just from the prizes, not even counting the cards from guilds that were used in the sealed deck. I am hyped. We went out to the pub. I'm about to celebrate. Thank you for checking in with my PAX adventure, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. King Bedhead, baby. Let's go.